My longest distance paper I've done so far. Hold the plane right here, tilt a little bit toward this angle, and hopefully it will go back to me directly. Especially when you throw it outdoor, there are wings, so the plane won't fly accurately. Baby flying inside, it fly very well. Check it out again. See that? Let's check this again. See that? Pull it up. Let's check out this paper better everywhere. Very fun actually. Let's be very high everyone to see if I can fly, okay? So let's see. Let's fly straight up. Alright, so let's see. 1 meter, 2 meter. Check it out everyone. Wow. Of the wings, so I'm going to do it this way to show you guys how to fly in the opposite way. Okay. Wow! So check it out, everyone. Wow! Let's go to pick it up. Like so far away. Let's get wet. Okay, there's one more time. Throw it straight up. Oh my god! It's so far. If it's good wet, there's one more time. Oh wow! It's very good with it. Fly far and fast. Okay everyone, so let me hold the blend right here and throw it one more time. Let's just hold it up here so you guys can see it. Okay. See how cool is it now? What's right here? And now I'm going to throw it straight. Okay. Check it out. Wow! After throwing it a couple of times, the paper got bitten up, so it doesn't fly straight. It's before, but still a very cool blend.